Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring iMovie and iOS are current so features behave predictably. Tap Create Movie, then import only the clips you need. This reduces lag and keeps timelines tidy. Once done, mark favorites for quick access and trim rough edges immediately so your editing focus stays on story, not cleanup. Make sure to use albums to group shots by scene or subject. That way, you'll find the right take fast and avoid duplicating footage. You'll work the timeline next. Pinch to zoom, tap a clip to split or drag to rearrange. These gestures speed up assembly. Once pacing feels right, add transitions sparingly and use titles for context. Adjusting clip speed can create emphasis or smooth motion. For audio, detach video tracks, lower background levels, and add fades so dialogue stays clear. Make sure to enable precise edits by zooming in when matching cuts to beats or dialogue, which tightens the overall flow. You finish by color correcting and applying filters subtly. Small tweaks lift production value without over-stylizing. Then review full playback for clip timing, title spelling, and audio levels. When ready, tap Share and choose Resolution and Codec. HEVC saves space, H. 264 maximizes compatibility, then export. If export fails, try toggling background app refresh, free up storage, or export at lower resolution. These fixes resolve most issues and let you complete the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.